All right, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create a snapshot using Google Drawings. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your drive, then you have to go down to More and get to Google Drawings. At that point, you're going to have kind of a grid or an open palette to kind of work with. And for this, you're pretty much creating a collage of something that you would like to show and tell around your house, something that shares something about you, one of your passions, just something interesting. It could be something you've made. It could be some artwork. It could be a cool artifact you have in your house, a family heirloom, anything. Some people do this in English language arts classes where they're zooming into certain parts of the text and highlighting different things, like you could have a magazine or something, anything. But the goal for your design tech assignment is to create a snapshot and using the Google tools, not necessarily about the content of the snapshot. So for this, I thought I'd make it fun. So in high school, my junior year, I was the mascot because I was a cheerleader. But that year, I was not able to be a part of the cheerleading team because I don't know, didn't make it to one of the practices for the tryouts because I was too upset because my mom had just told us that she was pregnant and just wasn't ready for it. So I'm going to go ahead and take a picture of this. It's the head of the mascot, and it was passed down to me. They have new mascots now. So the way you're going to do that is you're going to create an image and you're going to go down to the camera. Now, if you have images from other things, you can use it, but this allows you to take pictures live. So I'm going to try to get it right there. And then I'm going to click that picture. And then another thing that I found, so before you do this, you have to kind of know like what you're taking pictures of. I'm going to go ahead and insert that picture. And then I'm going to do another picture to show you, because I found this in a yearbook. This is what it used to look like. They actually updated it right after because the mascot had not been used in years. Sometimes it's a little tricky to get it. And they had updated it. That class, the class of 1993, actually, that was their gift to the school as an updated thing. So you notice there's, well, you can't really see, but in this picture, there was like white around the ears, and there's no longer that. They did a little bit of an update to it. So I'm going to go ahead and then I'll put this in there. And I'm going to maybe twist it around. You can go ahead and right click on this and you can go to the background. So I might want to do a black background. And then you can insert a text box, kind of giving, what is this? I'm going to fill the text box in so it pops out. I'm just going to go to the paint button. We'll go like that. And I'm going to increase the font, maybe a little bit bigger. And then I might do some kind of fun. I'll do that. Now, during my junior, mascot for the Oxford Wildcats. That year, we won the football, state championship, and I probably should. Maybe I could go class double B football state championship. It was fun. The only downside was when kids would pull my tail. All right. So once you do that, go ahead and title it. So I'll just say Oxford Wildcat. And then what you can do is you can even download this as a PNG or a JPEG. And then when you open it up, let's see what it looks like. There it is. So just a little snapshot, and you can, I think they call it snapshots because you can just go ahead and take a little snapshot of whatever's featuring in your webcam. I'm not sure if you're using your own individual devices, what it looks like on a phone, but do your best and create. If you have a phone, then just go ahead and create a collage. There's probably collage apps on your phone. Create a snapshot of, something around your house that you would like to share with us, and then go ahead and put it into Seesaw or Google Classroom, and we can enjoy those when you turn the assignment in. Thanks. Hopefully you figured it out. If you have any questions, let me know.